Firework. Alright, Mike. So what's up, dog?
Yeah, let's go in here. Are you filming or what?
Yeah, dude. Have you been on one of mine?
Nah, what's up, dude? Man, I'm on it. Yeah, already. I knew I'd be famous. I knew y'all see me on TV. That's what's up.
Yeah, one of everything, right?
Yeah, one of everything.
Wow, fucking shit.
You know what me and my little brother used to do? We'd be out on the beach. We'd be out on the beach and we'd take those mortars, the ones where you drop them in, they go boom, and we'd throw them at each other. And so we'd be running around and throw boom, like at war and stuff like that.
That's too crazy, dude. Did you ever get hit? Hurt?
Oh yeah, I got hit. One time I was shooting one off. I was holding the tube and it shot. It went boom, and it shot the bottom of the tube out. And when it went to shoot off, so that hit me, and the thing blew up right here, right in front of me. So, but I was all right. I lived. You know, glad to see y'all today. Hello, Happy New Year's Day. Go Trump. I want to give a shout out. America wasn't founded on Democrat. I'll tell you that.
Oh shit! Are you ready to blow shit up?
I tell you what, man. Power candles. Which are your best one? What is that? California one? Is that shoot a bunch of balls out, or is it just a torch?
California.
Look at that. Can I see it real fast?
Oh shit!
Yeah. Roman candles and bottle rockets are my favorite thing.
You can actually hold that.
Yeah, that's what I would do too. Yeah, I would. Oh look, I was gonna light it like this. Oh, like thinking pointing it backwards. The wrong way. Yeah, no, wrong way. Yeah, looks like it's pointing that way. The arrow was pointing that way, so I was gonna point this way.
Jackie.
Yeah.
Really?
Hell yeah.
Another one?
Yay.
You're excited, right? You got your snow cone.
Look at my snow cone. Shit, that's fucking heavy. I can't even pick it up.
We'll see that one.
You doing the video still?
Yeah.
Man, what's up, dude? Hey, Dylan and Mike up on the scene. Yeah. Hey, you know, we gotta get it all started right.
You got the lever?
Yeah, I got it right here.
All right. Oh, shit.
Careful, Mike. There's a ghost. Oh, this chair, that's good.
Oh. What is that, dog?
Oh, that's what they're calling a snow cone right here. We're just gonna go ahead and set the party off like this right here.
Hey, hey, he needed the money. Oh!
Did you? It's the snow cone. Oh, that's cute. Hey, so pretty. Me too. There we go. And then it goes.
So it's working?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, shit.
Dude, I'm recording you.
You're recording me recording you. Hey, look at that. Wait, I saw you first.
Yeah.
You copy me. Over. Over it. Here, I'll go long. Try it here. I'll catch one.
I'll catch you.
This is what a Roman candle look like. Now y'all don't know.
But y'all don't have fireworks.
Now that's a real Roman candle.
Are you gonna spell your name, Jack?
Dylan.
That's not your name.
What's up?
Be careful, don't hit Dylan.
I will.
Michael makes his.
Oh. He's like, oh no.
And isn't that the truth? I am so glad I am.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
So 140 shots.
140 shot.
No, other way, other way. Right? Oh my god. He's crazy. He's doing the guitar at the same time.
Yeah, I bet. Hey.
Michael!
Hey, what a save, man. What a save, dude.
Hey, I would have jumped on a grenade if it was coming to y'all's way. You know what I'm saying? So don't worry. Woo! Hey! Oh, there it is. Someone bust out the tequila.
So, fuck this spot?
Yeah.
Fuck this spot. There's hella people dying. 1:30 in the morning. Doing some laundry. Getting ready for tomorrow, dude. Shit's going down.